What's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have more than 11 years experience with different software and tools. In this video with Google Sheets, we are about to learn how to merge cells. If we want to merge cells, so we need to select more cells. So we are going to select these two and we need to go to the format menu, and down there we have the merge cells. You can merge horizontally and also you can just click on merge all. And if I select these two cells and we want to merge them, simple, we can just click on merge all, or you can just click on merge vertically. Let's click on merge all. If I select this range and click on format menu, and with merge cells you can just click on merge vertically, or you can just click merge horizontally. And if I click on merge horizontally, so there was a problem. So let's click merge vertically, and there is a problem. Let's click on merge all. So it's going to merge this area, and if we want to unmerge it, so we can just click here and merge. So this is how we can use to merge cells with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So catch you guys in the next video.